Throughout her 23-year career as an attorney, Kagezi served as a public servant with the government of Uganda. Straight out of the Law Development Center in 1992, she secured a position as land officer in the Ministry of Land, Housing and Urban Development. In May 1994, she was appointed a state attorney in the Ministry of Justice and Constitutional Affairs. She received a promotion in February 2002 to Principal State Attorney. In August 2007, she was promoted to Senior Principal State Attorney. In January 2015, she was appointed head of the International Crimes Division at the rank of Assistant Director of Public Prosecutions. Being a dedicated and accomplished Ugandan prosecutor with a remarkable career spanning over 21 years, Joan Kagezi played a crucial role in serving high-profile cases, showcasing her expertise and commitment to justice. Some notable cases she handled include the prosecution of Uganda-born Australian cardiologist Aggrey Kiyingi for the assassination of his wife, lawyer Robina Kasirye Kiyingi. She was gunned down in July 2005 outside the gate of the family mansion in Buziga, an upscale neighborhood in Uganda's capital Kampala. The state lost the case. The trial and conviction of former Arua municipality Akbar Hussein Godi, whose wife was killed on 4th December 2008 in Mukono district. In February 2011, Godi was sentenced to 25 years in prison after being convicted of murdering Rehema Kassa Godi, who was 19 years old at the time of her death. The prosecution and conviction of Kampala businessman Thomas Nkurungira, also known as Tonku, whose girlfriend was killed sometime between 21st and 30th December 2010. Her body was dumped in the septic tank at Nkurungira's house in Muyenga, a Kampala neighborhood. On 13th August 2011, a judge sentenced Tonku to death for capital murder. The prosecution of Thomas Koyero, a warlord in the Lord's Resistance Army, on charges of kidnapping, murder, rape and human mutilation and torture. The trial was terminated when Uganda's Constitutional Court granted Koyero amnesty on appeal. However, the Supreme Court of Uganda reversed the decision on 8th April 2015, sending the case back to the Uganda High Court for trial. The prosecution that was ongoing when Kagezi died of 13 individuals accused of participating in the July 2010 Kampala attacks, which occurred during the 2010 FIFA World Cup final match, killing at least 79 people. The 2010 Kampala attacks trial continued after Joan Kagezi's death, and the verdict and sentencing were reached on May 27, 2016, when the court delivered its verdict, convicting 7 individuals of terrorism, murder, and attempted murder. 5 were sentenced to life imprisonment, while 2 received 50-year jail time. What do you think could have been the reason for the murder of Joan Kagezi?